What is up, everyone? My name is Scott Slade Holmbeck, and today I just wanted to give you an update to why there hasn't been any videos lately. I've actually was expecting to upload about 2 or 3 videos, but then out of nowhere I decided to get a cold. And it's definitely not a fun one. This cold has really bummed me down and really killed all my energy, so it's kind of put on videos on hold for a while, but I am really pushing myself to make this one right now. This cold is actually making it where I can't sleep properly. I'm actually waking up with cold sweats with a completely flooded bed, basically. And even better yet, my water in my shower is all buggy, so I can't even shower properly either. So despite all that, I'm still trying to have fun. I'm trying to still go out and maybe sweat the cold out. I just went to Texas Paintball. I just got back from that. I still have my pile of gear sitting on the ground over there. And I even met someone about a week ago, and she's pretty awesome. So I'm still planning out to go out to a few places. She's brand new to San Antonio, so showing her anywhere around here is kind of exciting for her. But anyways, guys, with that little update, let's get on with the actual gameplay. Last time on USAirsoft, we witnessed the Allied forces and the KForces come to a standstill, with each side scoring lots of hits, but not being able to capture any more ground. But that's before a sudden grass fire had everyone pushed off the field. Now it's day 2, and the players are amped to take the field again. But will the Allied forces push the KForces back again, or will the KForce players redeem themselves in this final matchup? That's what you came to see? So, let's get into the game.
That tree line. Oh, come on, dude. Zip ties. Hit! Hit! Right around the corner! Push it! Don't do it! Don't do it! Hit! Right in the foot of the head. Hit! Your hop up's way up.
No, I'm aiming way up.
get hit?
We made a good push. We got a flag back. We're 3 to 2. We're medicing our wounded, getting them back in the fight.
And with the Allied forces in the lead by one captured objective, we come to the end of this portion of gameplay, but tune in next time when we check out the last minutes of this Third Coast event. But until that next video drops for you all to enjoy, I'll be sure to see you all next time. Hopefully when I'm feeling a whole lot better.